7 points, single ladies, God has not forgotten you. Point number 6, use the season to thrive, not just survive. While you are waiting, don't put your life on hold, honey. This season is a gift, a time to discover your purpose, grow in your relationship with Christ, and pour your love into others. Pour your love out unto yourself, unto family, if it's children, into your children, into your community, into your projects. Pour yourself out. Build yourself, right? Ask yourself, what passions has God placed in my heart? How can I serve and be with those around me, to treat them right, to do right by them, to give them parts of me, right? And the more you invest in becoming the woman God created you to be, the more prepared you'll be when his plans for love and marriage unfolds and comes together. So, in the season of my life now, I am literally embracing exactly what we're just talking about here, embracing my role in the community, in my church, in my life, in friends, in the work that I do. Yeah, I mean, I'm blossoming into this person that I didn't even know, but God knew, because he had those plans already in me. And so part of him building me is me um going with the journey that he's put me in. So there's some things that I do that, I don't talk about here on this channel, but I have a different channel where I explore those topics. So God has put me in a place of discovering my own voice, per se, not just the voice that I have here with, you know development and self-growth and things like that, but I have another even more powerful side of me in this realm. And so God is just using me in that way to really grow me, because whoever that man is, he's going to have to be a part of that world too. So I'm very excited to know, like, what God is doing within me, because I'm not just sitting around waiting on this man. I'm preparing myself to be that partner for that kind of a caliber of a man that I am looking for, that kind of a caliber that God has prepared me for, and that kind of a caliber that he is preparing me for that person. So it's very interesting, but the whole point of this is to build yourself, find your niches, find what you want to do, what you're interested in, find those gifts in you, and honey, dig 10 toes in so you can really cultivate yourself and preparing for the kind of man that God has prepared for you. So build yourself, darling. Build yourself.